Now let's discuss what we mean by independent tasks. We have already discussed shared and guided tasks, and we have already discussed experience tasks. Now let's look at the usefulness of independent tasks for promoting writing skills in our students, right? Well, as compared to shared experience and guided tasks, independent tasks require students work on their own without any recourse to the teacher input, without any help from peers. They just work alone without any planned or systematic help. And this is important strategy to develop learners' autonomy, right? And in this regard, although this can be very challenging for the students, for example, that can be practiced at tertiary level or much more advanced or university level or in their middle school, and they need certain amount of proficiency, knowledge, experience, ideas in order to do tasks, and they need to have certain strategies of planning, organizing, introducing, then drafting, editing, self-editing, and revising it, and then giving final shape to the writing topic actually. And so the experience of the students is important, and they need to have meaning focused input throughout their learning experience. Of course, the role of experience, shared and guided approaches is there to help learners develop writing skills, but we cannot overlook the significance or importance of independent tasks. Of course, they provide, tend to give a reasonable challenge to the students in terms of creating anxiety, and we as language teachers can develop certain strategies of doing things independently, of doing things on their own. I mean, in this regard, it's important to mention that we can give topics for independent writing, such topics for independent, which the students have to do outside the classroom. For example, writing a letter to the bank manager can be a task which the students will have to do outside the classroom. Writing a letter to the ticket agent, plane ticket agent, to modify the dates can be, or writing a complaint can be a task. So such tasks may have their utility outside the classroom, and the learners can take charge of their learning by asking questions or making the use of personal notes. And in this regard, as we have already seen, the teacher involvement was there in the shared experience and guided tasks. But in this regard, we've got less teacher involvement and rather more student productivity. So independent tasks as compared to shared, guided and experienced tasks are important, and they need to be given from time to time to the students, so that they do not rely all the time on models or on perfect texts or on their teachers, on their peers. Rather, they can do things on their own. For example, they could do things when they sit in the exam, or when they appear in a kind of IELTS test. So these independent tasks need to be administered in the classroom from time to time and much occasionally.